for the funnel things with my hammer. Oh, I think I'm going crazy again.
Adder's fork and blind worm's sting, lizard's leg and owlet's wing, for a charm of powerful trouble, like the cursed wrath, boiling and bubbling. There you are. Come now, sisters, dump them. We have guests. Children.
Scrumptious looking ones.
Come closer, dearies. Keep us sweet old ladies company. Yes, don't be afraid. That's it. Closer. Closer. You may have escaped our grasp, but oh no. Are you lost, my dears? All alone out here in the dark?
Lost? Oh, how horrible.
Poor little things. Whatever will you do? Can't go back to
Well. This is a group of kids from Lancaster. Boy, you guys have claws. I don't know how you found your way into this place, but my friends here and I are sure glad you did. Word on the street is you guys taste better than all the other kids. In case you hadn't noticed, this was never a family-friendly haunted garage. This is a PG-13 haunted garage. So clean the shit out of your ears. Like I said, time to go. Long, baboons, get lost.
Doing not the very word conjure breath in and moonlight. Prosperado. Life shall fade to balance shade as I soak up